want to know what some of the biggest myths are around the law of attraction? It's these human rituals that have been introduced into the law of attraction. Now, the law of attraction, as a secondary law to the law of vibration, is all about feeling. You attract into your life that which you are vibrational match. So, for example, where people are telling you that every day you got to do this ritual and write out this thing 50 times. Well, guess what? When I tried that, I couldn't stand it. My hand was tired. After writing out 20 lines, I was sick and tired of it. I wasn't in harmony with it. It didn't feel good. And guess what happens? When it doesn't feel good, there's no ways you're going to attract what you want. But don't fall into the trap of what worked for somebody else means that it works for you. These are human rituals that have been pushed on to people like yourself. So focus primarily on the law of vibration. So when you're doing this visualization, where for you it might be visualizing, might be writing, it might be speaking, as long as you're in vibrational harmony, that's what counts.